Hey guys, welcome to ADF Aero. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. If you've seen some of my latest videos, you've seen that I've been flying an X-Air Standard, which is this guy right here. So in this video we're going to talk about what exactly this airplane is, what it's not really, and we'll go fly it and tell you how it flies and why it's so much fun. So let's go. Well, first things first, we gotta put fuel in it. As you can see, it holds 13 gallons and we're down to 5, which is really the VFR minimum for this plane. So I'm gonna go add 5 gallons real quick and then we'll go and
Alright, so we're in here in the X-Air. Engine's running and it's warming up. We're going to go to taxi out and get a good look at the airfield. Alright, about 4,800. Just like you would on a certified aircraft. 2 ignition systems, you check one at a time. Do a quick check of flight controls. One nice thing about this airplane is that all the flight controls, they all feel the same. Roll feels the same, pitch feels the same, and it's like that in the air too. So one of the things I said that this aircraft is not, is it's not an ultralight. It may look like an ultralight, it may sound like an ultralight, and it may fly like an ultralight, but it's not an ultralight. Ultralights have a weight restriction of 254 pounds, and anything heavier than that, it's not considered an ultralight. So this aircraft actually falls under an LSA, light sport aircraft. And this particular one is amateur built, so it's an experimental light sport aircraft. Do a quick check for traffic. Everything else is in the green. Let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so I'm about 900 feet off the ground, almost 1,000, right about there. I'll pull the power back. Burning about 4.5 gallons an hour. Doing about 65 to 70 miles per hour. Alright, so let's talk about flight controls. So, like I said, on the ground, Everything's kind of got the same feel. Everything's got the same kind of sensitivity. A little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, a little bit up, a little bit down. So we'll just go ahead, we'll do kind of a steep bank to the left. I am turning on a dime. I mean, and we're turning fast. So stalling this airplane is more than easy. I mean, it's stupid easy. The brake is very soft. The recovery is it's so quick. You barely lose a thing. So when Buddy showed up in the chopper powered Whiskey Alpha, which is a plane I fly a lot, let's see if we can get some cool footage. Well, that's the X-Air for you. Not a whole lot to it, but it sure is a whole lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the ride. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead, like it, go ahead and subscribe to your channel, because I'll be flying this thing a whole lot more. Hopefully be doing some cool stuff with it. So we'll see you in the next one. Adios.